Today, we're going to sort some different shapes. But first, I need my special screen. And we need some shapes. Wow! We have circles, diamonds, and crosses. Let's put the circles down here. Circle, circle, circle. Let's put the diamonds up here. Diamond, diamond, diamond. And let's put the crosses down here. Cross, cross, cross. Well done, everyone.